Welcome everybody to the 9th rendition of the Singapore Airshow. Bell is excited to be here, displaying our products and our services to everyone here in the region.
This beautiful bird behind us is the Bell 429, a twin-engine helicopter that we are bringing here to the Singapore Airshow for the first time because of its designer series interior. The Bell 429 is a very popular airframe among the emergency medical services as well as para-public customers because of its max cruise speed of up to 155 knots, its spacious cabin, as well as its state-of-the-art avionics.
The Bell 429 is a multi-engine aircraft driven by law enforcement corporate travel. The Bell 545 is capable of executing a variety of missions, including trainings, corporate transfer, and tourism, which makes it a popular and reliable choice for our customers worldwide.
Singapore represents the center of aviation for Asia Pacific. We have very many customers coming in from throughout the region. We consider that to be an exciting part of why we're here at the show, to listen, to learn, and to grow through the interactions with our customers.
Bell Helicopter unwavering dedicating for the safety and after-sales service is commendable.
Our Bell Singapore facility is the home of our Asian Distribution Center in conjunction with our robust maintenance and overhaul organization. Customers can enjoy access to our 13 Bell-owned service facilities in addition to our 86 customer service organizations globally.
We will be signing not only joint marketing agreements with our existing customers in Indonesia, we'll also be signing for 407s and 505s into various territories in and around Asia Pacific. We have over 1,000 helicopters in Asia, but we're just getting started. Rotorcraft aviation, vertical lift aviation is here to stay, and Asia Pacific will lead the world in that change. There is no greater growth region than Asia Pacific, and that is why we're here at the show today.